are my ingredients to make gisadong tangkon. The first thing is water, soy sauce, oil, 2 pieces of shrimp, a big shrimp, but we already cut it. And then this is onions, garlic, and shrimp juice.
Okay.
Keep stirring until it became brown. It smells good. I can't wait to eat this. Okay, now let's put the noodles. Okay, now let's add the shrimp juice. Now let's wait for the noodles to cook. Okay, before we taste it, we're gonna add a little bit of nor cubes to make it a little flavor. Okay, now let's try it. Smells good. Delicious! Try this at home. Okay, our gisadong tangkon is almost ready. We just need to wait a few more minutes, then we